Hello guys, Harry here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're well. Another unboxing today. This watch was purchased in Japan during my recent trip to Japan. So around a month ago now, or just over. And this is the second time I've purchased the same watch. I used to have the blue dial and I ended up selling it about 6 months ago, and I wanted to pick up the white dial because I knew I was going to Japan, so I ended up selling that. Now this watch really defies inflation. I'll explain why I'm saying that. The previous watch that I had, the one with the blue dial, I bought it in Japan about 3.5 years ago, and I paid close to, from memory, about 450 Australian dollars. This time around, I bought this watch straight from Casio's store, and I paid 325 Australian dollars for this watch. So that, if I really look at the exchange rate as at today, it's roughly about 230 US dollars. I was really happy with the purchase back then when I paid $450 for the same watch, because it was a lot of watch for the money, and I'm even more happier this time around. So let's take the lid off and let's see the watch that I'm raving on about here, and why I'm saying this one really defies inflation. Because as you can tell, I paid less for the same watch 3.5 years later. Now, how often can you really say that? And Casio's Oceanus range is really remarkable, because the finishing on this watch is just so much better for the price. I don't think there's a watch comes close to this watch for the price that I've paid for it. And even the sapphire crystal, the air coating on it, as you can see, the blue tinge, it is a remarkable watch for the price. I mean, if you look closely, you can see how well this watch is finished, and I really like the white dial on this watch. As I said, I had the blue dial version. I think I ended up selling that for about $425 about 3 years later. And I had it for 3 years. I wore that watch quite a bit as well. I think that was a really good investment for only losing $25 after wearing a watch for about 3 years. And this one is even a better buy at $325. So yeah, as you can see, they did size the bracelet for my wrist. That's the service they offer, and I chose to take on that service. And I haven't really worn this watch, to be honest. When I bought it in Japan, it's been sitting in the box pretty much since then, and I've been enjoying the Omega that I unboxed on the channel about 2 weeks ago, and the Grand Seiko as well. And I think it's about time to take this bad boy out of the box and enjoy this one as well. So this is the Oceanus. I mean, look at the bracelet as well, the finishing on the bracelet. Now, one thing I don't really like about the watch is the clasp on this one. As you can see, it's not the best fit for this bracelet, but look, that's just a minor niggle, if you really want to call it, especially for the price. I never liked it on the previous one as well. It's the same bracelet and the clasp. But yeah, this one is solid quartz, so yeah, charge it with any source of light. But again, sunlight is your best mate when it comes to charging these watches. And this one is radio controlled as well. So if you get a radio signal, this watch will talk to the radio signal, and will keep the time as perfect as possible. You get the date complication as well. I didn't want this to turn into a full review. Now, you can download the Casio app, and this will connect via Bluetooth to the Casio app on your phone, and then you can sort of track your watch that way, how charged it is, and if it needs charging and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, this is a brilliant watch. I thought I unboxed this one as well, and I'll be done with the unboxing of the watches that I've recently purchased. But again, Brilliant, brilliant watch. Let me know your thoughts if you have one of these. How do you feel about your watch? I absolutely love Casio's Oceanus range, and I don't think you can really beat the price that I ended up paying for a brand new watch from the Casio's own store. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll do the full review of this watch on the channel, but the next one will be the Grand Seiko that I unboxed about 3 weeks ago. So I'll start off with that one, and then I'll move on to the Omega, and this will be the third in line for a proper review. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you with my next video shortly. Until then, stay safe and look after yourself. Thank you.